Hi viewers. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Ravi's Eye View. I sincerely appreciate your time. If you like my videos, like them, share them, and subscribe to my videos and channel. Well, Indian politics never ever stops entertaining to you. Whether it's Rahul Gandhi or the opposition or some of the states. The exciting news about Tamil Nadu today is the state government. Many of you may not be aware. Tamil Nadu is the only state, probably one of the states, I am not aware of the statistics about other states, is the state which actually owns and runs the liquor shops in the entire state. Yes. They own and run the liquor shops in the entire state. The liquor shops in Tamil Nadu are of the two types. One is that IMF, Indian made foreign liquor. The other is the country liquor shops. Both of them are owned by the government and they are run by the government. Now, many of you would have heard, would have seen, would have read in the paper the recent announcement by the Tamil Nadu finance minister that approximately each family in Tamil Nadu today they are in a debt of around 2.8 lakhs per family. 2.8 lakhs per family is the debt in Tamil Nadu. Second, many of you might have heard, read or seen in television channels their budget, which has one of the highest level of fiscal deficit in the country. Debt absolutely made the treasury is gone. Having said that, they have come out with a very novel idea because the source of income at this point in time majorly comes out of the liquor shop. Popularly, the brand is known as Tasmak. Now, the best creative idea any government in this country can think of helping the citizen to protect themselves against the COVID-19 infection or spread is bringing a rule encouraging the citizens to get themselves vaccinated at least once, without which, without the proof of a citizen of Tamil Nadu that he is vaccinated, he cannot walk into the Tasmak shops to buy liquor. Yes. The government has decided their most important source of revenue is selling liquor through this Tasmak chain of stores in the state. Therefore, they wanted to take care of the customers of the Tasmak chain. There are movements against these Tasmak shops in the state of Tamil Nadu. The women have formed a group. They are fighting against the government, recommending all these shops should be shut down because people are becoming addicted, and there are cases where the men go and stand in the line at 8 a.m. in the morning, even before the Tasmak shop opens. And the most crowded shopping centers across the state of Tamil Nadu one can find is the longest queue standing in front of the liquor shops to buy the liquor. Right? Whether pandemic or no pandemic, no one bothers. Now, the state of Tamil Nadu wanted to be creative. The idea behind recommending that anyone who wants to go and buy liquor from the authorized Tasmak shops of Tamil Nadu, they must have been vaccinated at least only once. Then alone they can buy the liquor. I think it's a very novel idea. Other states can also follow the similar rule. Anyone who wants to buy a liquor, they need to walk up to the liquor shop, show proof that he has been vaccinated or she has been vaccinated for that matter, he or she. Then alone they can buy a liquor. What a fantastic idea. Actually, it's a fantabulous idea. Very creative idea. And it's amazing. These political parties, these Karagangal in Tamil Nadu, how come they remain so creative? Yeah, no, I don't want to make a joke about that. I'm very serious, right? The major source of the income continues to be selling liquor. Therefore, they wanted to ensure their customers are protected against COVID-19. Therefore, they recommended those who want to have an access to buy unlimited liquor from the government and shops, they should get themselves vaccinated at least one dose. What a brilliant idea. What a brilliant idea. Like Mumbai Railways, the local trains, if you're vaccinated, if you had both the vaccination done, then you can apply for the train pass because they need to commute for work, they need to commute for businesses, and the train is the lifeline of Bombay. Similarly, Chennai also has got a local train. The Southern Railways today they have declared those who are fully vaccinated can travel in the trains. But I'm very excited when I heard this news. Those who want to drink in Tamil Nadu, they must have a vaccination certificate at least for one dose. Then alone they can buy a liquor from the liquor shop and they can continue to enjoy their life with full spirits. Absolutely amazing. Wait for more creative ideas for Tamil Nadu government. We'll keep in touch. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Ravi's Eye View. Thanks for your time.